Good morning, students. Very good. In this video, this is part number 55. And before this video, I have sent 3 videos of circle 52, 53, 54 part. And in this video also, I am going to solve some question which is based of circle and formula here. And already you know what you know means. If any circle is given x and here y, this is origin here. Clear? This is origin. And if circle is there, circle is given here, then coordinate of the points of the diameter. Coordinate point of diameter means like this one here. A suppose here B, x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. And suppose P is the point here x comma y. Clear? Now this is center here. Then this is perpendicular. Clear? This is a theorem. Which theorem? In the semicircle, triangle make a 90 degree here. Understood? So what is the slope? What is slope? Slope means here y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into y2 minus this value upon x2 minus x. It means we can get the slope of this line. Slope of AB here, suppose C here, and we see center here, suppose here D. Slope of what? AD. Slope of AD into slope of BD is equal to minus 1. Then how we can find the slope? Y2 minus y. Or y minus y2. Clear? Depend on you. Y minus y1 upon x minus x1 into what? Y minus y2 upon x minus x2 is equal to minus 1. Understood? After that, y minus y1, y minus y2 is equal to minus x minus x1 and x minus x2, then y minus y1, y minus y2 plus x minus x1 and x minus x2 is equal to 0. Then if the coordinate diameter is given, with the help of this formula we can find the equation of circle. Understood? So I am going to solve, I am going to explain one question based on diameter, which is very important for you here. Find the equation of circle which has A 1 3 B 4 5. Understood? And suppose one circle is here. This is question here. And suppose this is center and A and B. AB is equal to what? AB is the diameter of what? AB is the diameter of circle. Then coordinate of A and B are given 1 3 4 5. 1 3 and 4 comma 5 is given. Understood? As opposite end of diameter, find the equation of circle. How we can find the equation of circle? x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now we can put in this formula here. Y minus y1 means 3 into y minus y2 means what? 5 plus x minus x1 means what? 1 and x minus x2 means what? 4 is equal to 0. Now we can open y square minus 5y minus 3y plus 15 and x square minus 4x minus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now x square plus y square minus 4x minus x is equal to what? 5x. And minus 3y minus 5 minus 8y. And 15 plus 4, 19 is equal to 0. Now this is the answer. Understood? Any doubt? This is derivation of the formula. How we can use given formula in any question? If coordinate or the diameters of the circle given, we can put in this formula. After calculation, answer will come. Understood? Okay, good. Now see the next question. So the next question is what? Calculate the coordinate of the foot of perpendicular from the point -4, 2. This is point here -4, 2, and this is point. Understood? Suppose AB is the line. Understood? AB is the line. Then to the line 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Understood? What we have to find? Find the, what we have to find? Calculate the coordinate of the foot of perpendicular from the point -4, 2 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Understood? Means coordinate of foot of perpendicular, we have to find this value. Suppose P here, Q here, means find the coordinate of Q, that is suppose x, y. Understood? So first of all find equation of PQ means what? First of all PQ line passing through -4, 2 and this is perpendicular to this line. From this 2y is equal to what? -3x plus 5. Y is equal to -3/2x plus 5/2 and slope is equal to -3/2. And this is perpendicular. So therefore m1 into m2 is equal to -1. -3/2 into m is equal to 2/3. Understood? Now equation of line y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So y minus y means what? 2 is equal to m means 2/3, x minus x1 means here 4. Now 3y minus 6 is equal to 2x plus 8. 3y minus 2x minus 14 is equal to 0. And 2x minus 3y plus 14 is equal to 0. Now this is answer. Understood? Okay. Now this is other equation. If x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is also equation of circle and center is equal to what? -g minus f. Radius is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. Any doubt? R is equal to under g square plus f square minus c. This is radius, this is center. Now I am going to solve one question based on this equation. Clear? Then x square plus y square. Question is what? X square plus y square. Understood? Plus 4x minus 4y and plus 4 is equal to 0. Understood? Either we can make here minus. In this question, we have to find the center radius of circle. What we have to find? Find the center and radius of this circle. Clear? First of all what? We have to compare this equation and here what? 2g is equal to 4 and g is equal to 2. Then 2f is equal to -4, f is equal to -2. C is equal to what? C is equal to -1. Clear? Now center is equal to what? Minus g. G means 2 minus 2. Minus up means here 2. Radius is equal to under root 2 is equal to 4 and 4 and minus c. Minus c means what? Plus 1 is equal to what? Under root 9 is equal to 3. Clear? Understood? This is a coordinate of center. This is the radius of circle. If want to check this center, this radius is right or wrong? So very simple. We have formula x minus h whole square and y minus k whole square is equal to r square. X minus h means what? S comma k plus 2 square. Y minus k means what? 2 is equal to radius r means what? 3 square. We can solve here. A square plus b square plus ab and a square plus b square minus what? 4y is equal to 9. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 4y, 4, 4, 8 and minus 1 is equal to 0. Now you can see, you can check. This is question here, same question here. You can check also here if any question is given. Understood? Then we have two main equation of circle. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. And if x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, then we can use this formula of this question. Okay. Now I am going to give homework question, because the homework question is very important, and please you have to complete all the homework question. And how many questions I am giving? All the questions are important for you. Then here homework question is question number 1. Clear? And question number 1 is what? Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle. Clear? Whose center is clear? What? A comma B, and passing through, and which passes through what? Which passes through the origin. Passes through the origin. This is first question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is equal to what? Very simple. The point diametrically दिया, diametrically opposite to the point. Which point? P means 1, 0 on the circle x square y square plus 2x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0 is what? Each option is given. First option 3 minus 4. Second option is minus 3 comma 4. Third option is 3 comma 4. And fourth option is minus 3 comma minus 4. Option is question number 3. Find the center and radius of the equation. Which equation? 2x square plus 2y square. 2x square plus 2y square. Clear? 2x square plus 2y square is equal to 3x minus 5y. 3x minus 5y plus 7. Understood? In this question, find the center and radius of the 2x square plus 2y square is equal to 3x minus 5y plus 7. And please, you will complete all the questions, because all the questions are very important. And in so many videos I have given question, and how many questions I have solved in video. Please, first of all, you will complete this question. After that, you will complete all the homework question, because homework question are very important. And this homework question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Clear? Please you will complete, and I will meet in next video. Okay, thank you very much.